If you're wondering how to use Mailchimp's email sign-up forms effectively, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the process of setting up these forms and making the most of them to grow your email list. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of how to create, customize, and optimize your forms for maximum impact. Stick around to find out a great way to use Mailchimp's email forms for free with our exclusive bonuses at the link below. Let's get started. First off, Mailchimp offers a simple and user-friendly way to create sign-up forms that are not only functional, but also designed to look great on your website. The easiest way to get started is by heading over to Mailchimp's audience section and selecting Sign-up Forms. From there, you'll see a variety of options for embedding forms on your site, each with different customization features. Next thing, let's talk about customizing your form. Mailchimp makes it super easy to adjust fields based on what information you need. You can include fields like name, email address, and even custom questions. Plus, Mailchimp's drag-and-drop interface makes it simple to change the order of these fields or add new ones. Don't forget to set up an automatic confirmation email after someone subscribes, so they know their subscription was successful and they're part of your email list. The third thing to consider is designing your form. Mailchimp gives you the flexibility to brand your forms to match the look and feel of your website. You can adjust colors, fonts, and button styles, making it easy to create a seamless experience for your visitors. This helps maintain your brand consistency, which is critical for building trust and encouraging more signups. The fourth thing is embedding your form on your website. Mailchimp makes this easy too, providing both a code to copy and a user-friendly plugin for popular website platforms like WordPress. If you're using a site builder or an e-commerce platform, Mailchimp often offers integration options to embed the form directly into your page or a landing page. The fifth thing is understanding how to track and optimize your form's performance. Mailchimp gives you access to powerful analytics, so you can see how many people are signing up, which forms are performing the best, and where you may need to improve. You can also A/B test different versions of your sign-up forms to see which ones convert the most subscribers. Next, let's talk about segmentation. Once you have your sign-up form set up, you can create segments within your audience. This means that you can tailor your messages to different groups based on how they signed up or what information they provided. For example, you can send specific promotions or content to new subscribers versus long-time subscribers. Finally, the big bonus. Did you know that you can use Mailchimp's email sign-up forms completely for free? And we've got an exclusive extended free trial just for you if you follow the link in the description below. With this trial, you can explore all of Mailchimp's features without worrying about any costs up front, giving you the perfect opportunity to grow your email list and see the results for yourself. So, in summary, Mailchimp's email sign-up forms are an excellent way to gather email addresses, customize your forms for your brand, and optimize your list for the best results. With the flexibility to add custom fields, design your forms, and track your success, Mailchimp provides everything you need to take your email marketing to the next level. Don't forget to check out the link below to grab your exclusive free trial and start building your list with Mailchimp today.